All right, here we go again for like the 50th time. It's fucking driving me nuts. Trying to do a stream a little different, I guess, with the scheduled one and see if that works out better. So I've been fighting with fucking YouTube. Try just to stream now, and it keeps dropping my stream fucking anytime there's a connection issue, saying the stream's ended. So we'll see if this works a little better. Yeah, sorry, I keep looking up it. Make sure things are working correctly because it's getting really annoying at this point. All right, but yeah, for millionth time, I'm building the fucking Anatek blue ring tester. It's a nifty little unit for testing transform stuff like that and inductors. So I can actually go to right here. Let's see. Get a little better things. So if I can figure my own damn shit out, I guess. Ah, there we go. Get the right camera going here. That's the actual board of it right there. Oh, looking at myself. This here is the user and assembly manual for it. It's pretty straightforward. Gives a little better explanation here is what it is. This ring tester is an inexpensive and effective way to test any high Q inductive component. It is especially useful for doing a quick check on flyback line output transformers and other high frequency wound components like deflection yoke windings and SMPS transformers, which is probably switch mode power supplies. The LEDs on the left side show the Q of the device being tested. More lights equal higher Q. No lights equal short circuit. Red, bad or low. Q. Yellow is, I guess, question or medium Q. Whatever that means. So, guess we don't fucking know, or medium. Okay. Green equals good or high Q. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward little unit. I've already looked through this earlier. All the components. The board is pretty nicely labeled. Already gone through most of this, or looked at most of it at least, but that's just a little test inductor that they have so you can, well, test it out once you're done building it. Get a little closer view up of things. Turn that off. There we go. But yeah, these are all the little goodies. Remember where my damn camera's at. Little test probes or miscellaneous parts. Yeah. It's like the little parts for building. Little test inductor for it. It's all your battery components there. Got the little 9-volt battery connector and then the pads for putting inside the battery compartment on the case, which, you know, dump all my resistors I got sitting in here out of there, but that's the case there. Nothing real fancy. I guess some of the newer ones actually come with a little sticker with a QR code on it, and you can add a little address for where the guide and shit's at, but mine didn't come with that, so imagine it's probably an older one, and I guess there's some minor issues with uh, like low impedance components, I guess, when you're using some of the older models, but I can look up later and see what the actual differences or improvements they made to the newer models and probably Jimmy rig something into this and do a video on that too. We got all the semiconductor. Ooh, messed it up again. All the semiconductors there, the LEDs and ICs and little plastic string in the LEDs. And what in the world is that? Some little strip with like some kind of grease on it in there. Okay, that's. Oh, okay, I see. It must be in the adhesive. It looks like it's probably for one of the transistors or the LEDs, the little holder middle that they put around the legs, separated, and it's just sitting in there. Like, I don't know what the hell that component would be for. Almost looked like a little copper fucking pad or something of some kind. Okay, and there's all the ceramic capacitors and little bottom plate your test leads go through. Another little electrolytic capacitor in there too. Oh, I get the little card that came with it. This is about the only documentation. I think there is a little booklet, but I don't know if that was like a warranty card or something. It's basically useless. But yeah, it's showing you. Oh, is my stream just buffering now at least? Ah, it is. Okay, good. She came back. She's trying to come back. I don't know. Seems to be. Awesome. Okay, good. It didn't drop me this time. Last time, every other fucking time it's done that, it just drops me. So apparently, this is the way to do things. But yeah, then we got here all the resistors. I'm probably going to go through those first because they don't have any values on the little packs they sent. And I'm a partially colorblind motherfucker, so I really don't feel like going through that fucking methodology, so I'm going to use my multimeter and fucking cheat. Because why the fuck not? Okay. Shrink that down, maybe I can. Yeah. See if I can reorient this guy here in the corner. Get a little side view going. Oh. Yeah, get some mouse action there. Let's move that out of the way, actually. Alright. That is actually my... I think we're about ready. I got my sponge already prepped. Turn on my multimeter so I can test these damn things. Yeah, I can't say how long this video is going to be. It might be a little bit. Ooh, how to feed my solder without shifting my camera. Definitely don't want to do that. I'll get all into this and totally fucking forget about it. And then there I am. Okay. Test leads. Very nice thing about this board. See if I can get a good picture. Oh yeah. Well labeled. Like, I mean, you damn near, if you have any experience at fucking soldering anything or electronics, like you pretty much don't need much of a guide because they did label this phenomenally for everything. All right, so guess start with the resistors. Oh, I guess I gotta uncap my probes. Maybe. Just can't have a clean workbench. It's a rule. There we go. Microscope to the rescue. See if we can shift this camera around here. See. That kind of works. Oh, still not great. Eh. Hmm. I can maybe get this to stand a little bit straighter. Maybe. Oh no, that is the light glare is just intense. Let's see if I can change that. It helped a little, as you can see what's going on there. All right. Yeah, so blue point meters. Good old beast I got from my uncle. On level with flukes and accuracy and construction quality. He had it for quite a few years. It's probably obvious in the video. Use this puppy and start setting some resistors. Blue tapes for it is so I can keep shit in frame because I'm terrible at it. And if I bump the camera, I can kind of get it back where it needs to be, and I'm not working on the board outside of frame. Nothing. Okay. Crank it up. Still nothing? Wow. Okay, you'd stay, you son of a bitch. Okay, why am I? Ah, there we go. Looks like so it's like around 21.7 ohms. I say 21,000.7 ohms. Probably I'm thinking of 22K. $22K right there. Oh, I'll lose the damn thing. Yeah. Ooh, looks like a little hair on that leg. Yeah, you'd be fine. 22K inserted. If you haven't realized yet, this is not going to be a super quick process. Oh, I got that. She settled. 1.5. I think that's going to be something like 5K, but we shall see. 2K. Oh, no. Oh, 500 ohm. Okay. Gotta find the 500K. The 500K. 500 ohm. Dumbass. Looks like it could be around a 510. That's what I'm seeing on the board. Double checks, so 470s. It's 510 there. One more quick check. Yeah. 510. I want to see something real quick. I will be right back. other meter I want to check out real quick and see what this reading's at. I haven't actually been able to test it against. Well, damn. Okay, so this is my cheap $30 meters. Pretty good, pretty accurate as well. Fucking, what is it? This little fucking ugly bitch, the Lomfum T28C. I mean, it does have some issues, one I still need to correct that I haven't got around to. There's like no overvolt protection, so I mean, you fuck up with it or fucking have some energy surge that it receives, and she's toast. I am curious. So that's supposed to be 510. I'm only getting. I'm gonna dig through my fucking. Oh! Knocking shit over. Grab the camera. Can't find my damn mouse. We got 510 there. So, 510. 510. Go on through. We're only getting 500. So I'm going to check out some of my resistors and see if I don't have some closer values. I mean, it's probably nothing too huge, but what can I say? I probably can't even hear me because I'm not looking at the microphone at all, but I'm going to try to find some of my resistors that are a little better quality, possibly, or at least find one that's a little closer to the rating. I mean, it's only fucking 10. Let's fucking spend $30 and get fucking just thousands of the goddamn things. But there, I mean, the paramount feature in every bit of electronics, and it's nice, especially if you're doing something that deals in accuracy, that it's have the fucking shit that's closer, and you can have a couple to check through to make sure that you're getting decent accuracy out of it. Okay, gonna go through. We got some. Start with the small individuals and small shit first. Get this out of the way. Okay. Set these back. Okay. Where are we at here? What do we have? Much. Let me go over here. Zone Beach. Okay. Up to 20K range. Nope. Gonna be up there. Just looks like I have to. Gonna be up in the millions, huh? Oh. No, not quite. It's not. Okay. It's about 470K. Yeah. Yeah, she's falling pretty nice in there. Okay. So we got 470K and that other loose one. I'm wondering if that isn't pretty close to the same. I saw a force. There you are. That's why I gotta put a target over where my damn camera's at, because I keep moving away from the damn thing to work on shit. Looks like I'm all. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, there we go. Had some weird choppiness for a second there. See? Okay, what do we got here? Another 470. Oh, it's nice when you look right down and there's what you need, you know? I can do. Might just make life a little easier. A little less clunky at least. Boom. Oh, next. Yeah, fitting this is down a bit. Oh, what we got? Looks like it's about 2,600. Is it lower? Okay, here, move this down. That's not lower. 260. Okay, yeah, so 265 ohms. Remember if that's a standard value, 260 dollars, 270. So that's probably what that is. I only see one. So, well, let's go hunting again. See if we can find one with a little closer tolerance. Okay. Making progress, slowly but surely. Yeah. These, I'm presuming, are 10Ks. This one. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Which one was I? Ooh, easy. 9.93. Didn't overspin it. I'm not testing the same damn one. 9.92. Okay, so yeah, they're fairly close tolerance. That's okay. Got some more. Let's see if we got some higher tolerance ones here. I think these actually came out of a kit I got from Radio Shack a long time ago. I know I'm being way too fucking picky with this, but yeah. That's a winner. Yeah, I call that a winner too. Let's see. I think this thing even works anymore. Oh, kinda. Stow these with the others. Yeah. Just a little bit of overbuilding, but I like overbuilding shit. tend to last longer. It just works better. Like my overbuilt, cheap ass Anatek A8 3D printer. Prints spectacularly. Well, once I fixed the fucking cable chain that I printed out of some terrible filament that broke, but get extremely fucking precise and good quality prints out of that fucker. But I know that damn thing about in and out at this point. Okay. Okay, so 20. So it's like 4.7K. Where are we at there? 4K7 right there. I'm saying fuck it at this point. After all that talk. They're fairly close tolerances. This is already gonna take a minute. Being that meticulous right now is just gonna elongate this video exceptionally. It's probably already gonna be pretty long. Getting there. We're about at least halfway. This will be a bit easier though, because now we just need to populate all the same kind of shit. Once we figure out what that is. Jump up real quick just to jump down. More of these, they're probably. Maybe not. Figured they might be a little lower value. I guess I was wrong. Fuck, where we at? We're up in the millions? Jesus. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is 1M. Oh, yeah, right there. There they be. Got some serious resistance. We're doing all this off screen. I mean, it's nothing too exciting, but it's better than watching dead air. Oh, maybe that might be debatable. Oh, let's see. Am I still? Oh, still seem to be live. Amazing. So that seems to be the way to do it. You gotta schedule the stream. It's like go live shit. Fucking works like garbage. You'd think you get plenty of practice fucking restarting your stream at what you're gonna say and then just get so fucking frustrated that any benefit you might get from that nuisance is just nullified. the last one. Okay, so those are other ones are all presumably 2.2K. I just realized I did not have water bottle way away. I don't have my damn flush cutters in here. Go grab those in a second. Oh. Alright. And just for shits and giggles, see how close they are. Put this back. Oh, no, I need to go above a little bit. Yeah, you know, they're not too bad. Pretty damn close. I'm gonna bitch about that. At least not right now. Let's see. Back to this fun part. Bending legs. Yeah, hopefully this will come and assist it. Some pairing a couple of Gold Star CRT monitors I'm trying to fix for a guy. So one of them definitely has flyback issues, and one of them has power issues. And then the other one, I mean, they likely all have capacitor issues. They're old puppies. But the one of the three, they're all for stand up, like dart boards, like you'd see in a bar room and stuff. They're little, I don't even know if they're color. They might just be old green monochrome monitors. Just basically there to output a menu and show you a score. But one of them has some like vertical and horizontal syncing issues. It's like flowing to the bottom right corner. Usually, if it's one or the other, it's going up or down or left or right, all weird and shit. But I'm thinking that's capacitors. It's 99.9% chance it's capacitors. I already looked at the board. They're almost all leaking. But the machine, I mean, the newest machine that those got taken out of, taken out of, was made in fucking 1994. So electrolytic capacitors don't really like living that long, especially ones built back at that point in time. Just weren't that good of quality. I mean, some of them are alright, but most of your consumer electronics, they weren't putting the high dollar shit in. Which I guess that wasn't even consumer electronics. That was more like commercial. Because it was for commercial kind of game consoles. Game console thing. Still. Let's see. 2K2. Yeah, probably gonna be somebody bitching about me not wearing a grounding strap, and that's electronics, especially older through whole life, is far more robust than people give them credit for. I mean, even a lot of your surface mount. I mean, there's some ICs and stuff like that that can be sensitive to electromagnetic, but like your resistors and shit like that, you're not gonna fucking hurt them unless you got some real shitty ones or you built up some insane ass fucking electrical charge. But when it gets to putting the ICs, I'll probably throw some gloves and stuff on just as a added precaution. Yes, I'll be doing this without flesh cutters. Oh wait, 1 second. I might Might have went looking about for nothing. Whoa, Jesus, easy there. I'll be damned. I guess I. Yeah. I fucking misplaced them somewhere. In the ass. If that seems part of the course. My kind of watching. That's crazy. I don't know where I would have put them. I don't think I took them anywhere. Mystery. Alright, well. Guess we'll have to do without. Use my old, like, see how my old weed trimming scissors work. Those might do the job. Let's see. Kick up the iron. A few seconds to heat up. My solder ready. See if my stream will stop wigging out for some goddamn reason. It's having a hard time here. Oh, looks like it's not just that. What is going on here? Something ain't right. Okay. I don't know why she's losing time so much now. Let's see if I okay. Getting some odd lag here. My internet's probably wigging out. Either that or my router's not liking all the traffic I'm sending across it right now. Well, I guess we'll get started on this. Fucking, it's gotta get done. Come on. There you go. I love my fine conical tip. Get good. I think I did. Put a little extra on those. Around. I don't think I filled that hole quite all the way. I saw that. Am I? Pad. Oh, getting the surface area. Nice cut as the flush cutters. Figure out what I did with those. Those things are kind of essential. Oh god, I got nothing better either. Try that. Like this. Kind of. Stuff like that happens. Come here, little bastard. Crap on my bench. Come on. There. It's just a overkill. I don't want to scratch off any of the fucking traces using these beasts. That is annoying. Very, very annoying. This. Oh, damn it. Well, I am a dumbass. They were right fucking in front of me. Got a little spot for them on my workbench, and that is exactly where they were. I guess I can move this since I'm not using my multimeter at the moment. Yeah, a bit of an angle. Alright, get these fuckers cleaned proper now. Do a proper cut on them. Alright, kinda. Oof, that was gunk. Let's see if I can weave it into the carpet. Oh, there it goes. Alright. Oh, what the fuck's my stream? It's just going. Okay, now it's kind of just still getting some lagginess to it. I do not know why. Even in my some fuckiness to it, which it wasn't having. Unless it's Streamlabs itself is giving me shit. That I would not be surprised of. Now we can get back to this. Do this shit properly. Oh, get some of those legs out of the way. There we go. That's interesting. Make sure I got that inside the target area. Hell's on my. I still got some guff from the Nintendo fix I did, or the Nintendo Virtual Boy fix I did. You gotta kind of fixing the ribbon cables on those, melt the old plastic off the thin little copper traces, run them through the ribbon cable. Okay. One of these days I'm gonna get me that. Except for when they don't come off of the flush cutters. That doesn't look like a very good. Oh, maybe it's better than I thought. Optical illusion. That is a good reason to wear safety glasses. That fucker just about nailed me in the eyeball. But am I going to? No. Think we okay, yeah. Got all the ones snipped that need it. Uh-oh. I think I might have dropped one of those.
Just the thing you want to drop on a carpet.
Oh, good. Hear me yell fuck in a few. It's because my foot found it. Alright. Get to doing this. I regret not putting my bigger conical back on here, but this one is nice for getting those fucky angles. That damn leftover flux from the solder can be deceiving with the lighting. But that is why I will give her a good inspection afterwards. I can do this without poking something I'm not supposed to with my soldering tip. Ah, One of these days I need to upgrade my damn iron. That's not helping matters. One works pretty good. It's a cheap Chinese special, but been using her for like about 10 years and she's still going. Knock on wood. Got any fucking wood around here? Shit. Yep. Shit. Yeah. Good there. Better now.
Like it.
Whoa. Consolidating some of these. Flying everywhere. And bitches all up now. Try not to shank myself. Yeah, that's what you do. The resistors. Started a cleaner. Get a little further along. Okay, now do the capacitors sound like a good next choice. Okay. Red. We got here 104 PF. Or is it NF? Not seeing a 104 on here. This is just the one. We'll try to do a different one. Those are all. I think they're 1 NF. Maybe. Can't win. It's gonna make things a bit more of a pain in the ass. I can't actually see what's going on my computer. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Oh yeah, my routers. Seems to still be up, so I guess we'll continue and get this thing put together. Alright. Got the capacitors on there. But yeah, as I was saying, I don't remember if I fully explained, but there's little numbers on there like these particular, assuming I got it in the right spot, these capacitors have like 104 on them. Basically be like 10 plus 4 zeros, which brings it up to, oh god, what is it? Like, be I think 100,000 PF, I think. Which comes out to like the 100 NF. I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. I can't remember right offhand. Alright, get these guys in there. All the points. And get rid of the crap again. Just my terrible whistling. Let go. Come on. Ah. Stubborn little leg. Oh, I want. Oh, I want to pick. God damn it. These little tail fucking legs up. Oh, the magnet. It never works, but for some goddamned reason, it's like magnetizing to the tip. My flush cutters. Quite annoying. Go. I do really need to get some new ones. I got these at Radio Shack when they were going out of business. I just wish we had had a better store here, or a better Radio Shack store here when they were going out of business. Ours is just basically a glorified fucking cell phone fucking store or phone store. Cell phones and hook up your service, and that was about it. Most of the people had zero fucking clue about electronics. They had a couple little things here and there. I did find one of my like probably favorite books that probably taught me the most about electronics. Fucking good little introductory one called Make Electronics. Came with a little kit that essentially went through and taught you all the components, and in the end you build a little alarm system. Oh, this is miscellaneous. I don't need this yet. That must be a reset or something. It's just a little momentary switch. Get you over here. We need the semiconductor bag.
Fancy new IC.
Come on. Get out of the bag. There we go. Nice heavy duty little bag, actually. Alright. Our switching diodes. Our Zener diodes. We've got our LEDs. Transistors. Look like they're all the same number. Pop those guys in. Nice thing about this board is it actually shows you the orientation of these little guys too. It'd be nice if it had a little emitter collector and diode. or just like letters there to designate those, but it's not a big deal. The board's asking quite a bit actually, because most boards you don't get shit. You're back tracing connections and playing hell trying to find what you're after. Okay. That's some gnarly adhesive that's got in there holding those components. Get your hands in there. Too much of a perfectionist. Good. Good enough. Ah! Good enough difference in shade between the green and the yellow. I can actually tell them apart. So, joys of partial color blindness in electronics. It can make things very interesting. Okay, so we got the 4015. That is 4015. Now straightening the legs a little. Trying to. Generally. There we go. When you get them, you got to straighten the legs out. They're a little flared out. There we go. Sitting nice on the board. Normally, I'd probably just do these separate and put some tacks on them, but they seem to be holding pretty well in their sockets. Do a double check before do a final tack down of them. Make sure they're how I want them to be. Oh, come on. There you go. Bend out a little more. What a truth and fair. Oh, wrong password. Shit. Ah ha ha. Oh. Uh-huh. That does need to be up there. Ah. Control again. Okay. Kind of tell what's going on. Sweet. Alright. There. A little better. Okay. Now. Oh, heat it up now. Time to solder these puppies in. We could be using some bigger gauge solder for this, but I have a giant roll of this stuff. Been using for years. It's kind of nice. A lot easier to go under on the amount of solder than over with this. So it's much easier to fix than trying to use solder braid or sucker to get the shit off your board. You go too much. Move those pins and then I'll solder the ICs down. So I don't want to fight with these pins. It's already a fight with all those legs. Oh, down for now. Come on, you fucker. Put it down. All right. wondering why I'm jumping around. I mean, many probably know it's probably not the recommended pattern I'm using right now, but basically just trying to not heat one part of the fucking chip up too much more than the rest of it. That's good. Make sure I don't just drag my camera around with my unwinding my solder spool. Come on, you motherfucker. Ah, turd it. PCB clamp. So much less fidgeting. Good fill top and bottom. No. Four. Okay. Orient this. Oh, it's got them fucking labeled. No. Can't beat that. Okay. Doesn't see the poles though. What we got here? Well, it says on the back. That's pretty funny. It's readable. There it is, yeah. Short leads this side. I stupid proof that pretty well. See, you're a partially colorblind bastard. You appreciate the little things. Your little. Goes in. Okay, now this little skim piece of plastic. I think it's supposed to. Something like this. Let's try to make them all fall a little bit so I can get that in there. All right. Go with those. They're all in. Let's tack them in. I've got the major shit done with this thing. Hated. Do one little double check. Just look at all these little fuckers and make sure they're going the same way in there. I mean, I checked the legs, but better fucking safe than sorry. Oh shit. Oh, noise. I accidentally turned on my hot air. So I'm not just full of it, I have it on demand. Good so far. I think they laid out evenly. So much for fucking this worthless little piece of shit they give you. Okay. What else we got? What else we got? We got the part for the battery. Last couple little soldering part, or solder in parts. Oh, those aren't even contact. They're just to hold the. Let's see. One test leads. There we go. Uh-oh. Oops. Gravity. Funny shit. Probably couldn't see that, but basically, where's she at? There she is. Started stripping the wire from just the weight of the board pushing down on it when I was soldering it. That'll be fine. No, it's damn good contact now. Access off. Okay, so we got battery lathes. And got my damn strippers. So we're gonna get creative with my flush cutters. They might still be sharp enough to accomplish this. There we go. Be damned they were. One test lead. Where's the other? Hiding right in front of my face. Come on. Motherfucker. Oh. Didn't quite get it. No, no. Oh. Stab my fucking camera. Shit. Okay. I saw the holes just a second ago. There they are. Business is good. Oh, I see. Gonna make me 10 you just so you will cooperate? There we go. Temperamental bitch. live with. Tonight, get rid of that mad excess. Those guys done. Presuming these go through these little holes here that say tie. Little plugs. These guys. We got 3 little plugs there. Oh, one's the button. Okay. Also, this little hole's gonna be more stubborn. Oh, maybe. Oh, just technique. There we go. These guys gonna go in something like this. Presume like this. It's just, and it's like it's got turbines. Unless they tend to just use your own wire and wire it up to these 2. Oh, got it backwards. Oh shit. Getting it back off. Haha. There we go. There. Oh, oh wait, no, I got it backwards. Batteries are at the top. There. There. Okay. Boom. Okay. So we do have a couple little retaining screws. Yeah. Hmm. May have done that prematurely. Put that bottom plate on beforehand. Okay, I think I put that backwards anyways. Bottom plate was actually supposed to be. Well, no, it should. Okay, well, yeah, yeah. Wait, I did. Damn it! Got him in ass backwards. Purposely tried not to do that. Okay. Fucker in there now. Made that a lot more complicated than it needed to be. I think I was supposed to solder those test leads on the other side. Right now. Definitely not going nowhere. Good. And put it in. That's all the internals. What's our issue here? Something's not. Oh, that's right in on the fucking. Oh, yeah. Oh, never mind. That's the tab. I could have given you a better fucking where to get this down. What they expect you to do with these, I don't know. All right. And we're talking. Almost there. And just the fun process of winding that goddamn. if this plate's even full. It's like a blank. I guess if you had some other method you wanted to. Most volatile part. Sticker. A terrible eyeballing. Be able to see the rings. Oh no, I got a 9-volt battery around here because they could not be bothered to send you one. Ah, there we go. Yeah, no batteries included. I got something going on. Interesting. Not in there. I mean, you could put it. I guess you just aren't supposed to put those. With pads. Like, what the hell's the deal? Weird. Wire stripped. Oh. Greatest alligator clips for this. And it's got no screws or nothing. They're pure crimp. Yeah, I think good connection, I hope. May redo those skater clips later too. Those are not very impressive. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Now the guaranteed not riveting part. Taking this copper, winding and winding a coil. Well, an inductor. Take this little ferrite core here and wind the copper wire around it a bunch of times. That should be adequate test lead. There's probably recommended amount of winds, but I don't really care for something like this because I'm not looking for high precision. It might not really matter either way. Oops. You'd think break with a couple extra bucks and just throw a fucking inductor in the kit to fucking test this shit, but oh, hell no. Gotta pinch them pennies. What the? Oh, I did. God damn it. Process. Process. I am probably overcomplicated. I mean, I realistically don't need to use all this wire either. Probably already created a significant enough of an inductor to test it, but fuck it. Oh. Normally it'd be a good idea to count your lines too, so you know, but I am not. Shittily crimped. I tossed soda on those fuckers. Let this, I will cut there. plenty. Let's save the rest of this wire. Oh yeah, that's probably too. I forgot to burn the fuck insulation off the copper wire. Probably not helping either. Heated. Be a bit of an issue because that is a big heat sink. Seems to have worked.